In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn money from HubSpot using their affiliate program in 2025. If you're looking to add a new income stream and have a passion for sharing effective tools with others, then this guide is just for you. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to become a HubSpot affiliate and start earning. First things first, head over to HubSpot's official website, hubspot.com. This is your starting point for joining their affiliate program. Once the homepage loads, you'll want to scroll down a little. You're looking for the affiliate program link. This is typically located near the footer of the site, where they list out all their different initiatives and services. Once you find it, click on Affiliate Program to navigate to HubSpot's affiliate page. This is where you'll find all the information about the program and how it works. HubSpot offers some great tools and services that you can promote and earn commissions from, which is a fantastic way to monetize your online presence. Now, on the affiliate page, keep an eye out for the option to become an affiliate. Click on that link. This will take you to a page where you can actually sign up to be part of their program. This step is crucial because this is where you officially express your interest in joining and start the application process. Next up, you should see an option that says sign up. Go ahead and click on it. This is going to direct you to a sign-up form which is hosted on Impact, HubSpot's affiliate partner platform. Here, you'll be required to enter some basic information about yourself and your online presence. Be sure to fill out this form completely and accurately, as it's vital for the approval process. Moving along, after you've filled out the sign-up form, there will be a step where you need to accept the terms and conditions. Make sure to read through these carefully. They outline important details like the commission rates, payout thresholds, and the types of promotions that are allowed. Once you're ready, click accept. Finally, the last step in this process is to sign up with email. Click on this option and you'll be prompted to enter your email address along with some further details. Completing this final step is critical as it sets up your account on Impact's platform, where you will manage your affiliate journey, track your earnings, and get access to all the resources you need. And that's it. You're now part of the HubSpot affiliate program and ready to start earning by promoting HubSpot services. Remember, success as an affiliate relies on genuine promotion. Share your personal experiences with the tools and build trust with your audience for the best results. Good luck and happy earning.